Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to episode 77, no not 77, 71 of Transat, and today we're back at Needham Market on the Great Eastern Mainline, where today services will be provided by Greater Anglia only. So, my journey down was from Stowmarket on 170-205. It was the best journey I've ever had in the Greater Anglia 170. Minimal vibrations, because normally, every other time I've had on a Greater Anglia 170, it's always sounded like the roof's going to fall down. But no, just a few chairs this time. So yeah, that was pretty good. Anyway, I'm skipping ahead. So today I'm doing two stations. I'm doing here in Needham Market and Colchester. Colchester should be very fun because there's so many trains and there's even a disused platform. So yeah, we will see what's next here, or we will see what our first train is here at Needham Market. And now getting ready to pass by is 1 Papa 33, the 11:59. Greater Anglia service from Norwich to Liverpool Street. Of 90-012 and 82-143. Oh, what a way to start. 90-012, if you don't know, is my Greater Anglia 90 stalker. No, it wasn't. It was my Greater Anglia 90 stalker. Never mind. Okay, all's good. And now getting ready to pass by is the Greater Anglia Turbo Star. That's 170-270, with 2 Echo 76, the 1206 Greater Anglia service from Ipswich to Peterborough. And approaching soon, getting ready to pass by, will be 1 Papa 22, the 1215 Greater Anglia service from London Liverpool Street to Norwich. This will be formed of one of their 90 and Mark III intercity sets, soon to be replaced actually. I think in 2019 they're going to be replaced by Stadler flirts, and I've seen them. I used to think, oh, Stadler flirt is going to be characterless and boring. They actually look really nice. Like, really nice. And they're also going to be replacing the 170s with Stadler flirts, which have actually a really cool idea. So rather than having 3 small engines underneath a 3-car train, one under each carriage, they're going to have a mini locomotive in the middle, which is going to have one big engine, which is going to make the ride a lot more comfortable, because 170s aren't the most comfortable things in the world. I mean, they're good, but they're by no means as comfortable as a HST, which is also diesel. But the difference between 170 and an HST, other than the fact that the HST is way bigger and can do 125 miles an hour, is of course that the HST has locomotives rather than being a multiple unit. So yeah. So having locomotive would make the routes supplied by 170s, 156s, and 153s a lot more bearable than they already are. So yeah, it is a bright future for Greater Anglia, a bright future for the Great Eastern Mainline, and I cannot wait. And it's now passing by. I think, and 90-005 with 1 Papa 22, the 1215 Greater Anglia service from London Liverpool Street to Norwich, passing through 6 minutes late. And now arriving in is 2 Whiskey 14, the 1229 Greater Anglia service from Ipswich to Cambridge. This will be calling at Stowmarket Elmswell, Thurston, Bury St Edmunds, Kennet, Newmarket and Cambridge. And is formed 172.05. That is 172.05 with previously 12:29 Greater Anglia service from Ipswich to Cambridge, calling at Stowmarket, Elmswell, Thurston, Bury St Edmunds is Kennet, Haymarket and Cambridge. I'm always rusty on that. Very rusty with this last few. Also a nice wave from the driver as he left. As that heads off towards its next stop of Stowmarket, we'll see what's next here at Needham Market. And passing by in a few minutes or so will be 1 Papa 35, the 12:33 Greater Anglia service from Norwich to London Liverpool Street. This will be the slow, calling at Ipswich, Manningtree, Colchester, Chelmsford, Stratford and London Liverpool Street. So we'll catch that as it passes. And that 50 TSR, that's been there for, apparently that's been there for years. And it still hasn't become a full speed limit yet. But when that is for Gypsy Lane crossing, I think, which has been reported as being pretty much invisible from drivers heading away from London. But drivers heading towards London have been able to see it perfectly. So, Gypsy Lane crossing needs that 50-mile-an-hour TSR, so trains headed towards Norwich and Bury will need to slow down, but trains headed towards London can come through here at the full 100 miles an hour. Which is awesome, and it should be passing soon. That's 90,013 and 82,136. With 1 Papa 35, the 12:33 Greater Anglia service from Norwich to London Liverpool Street, running 3 minutes late. Now getting ready to pass by is 4 Mike 29, the 12:36 GBRF service from Felixstowe North to Birch Coppice. That looked like 66766 or 66768. But we'll see. I'll see you back in editing. And now arriving in, is 2 Whiskey 15, the 12:50 Greater Anglia service from Cambridge to Ipswich. This will be calling at Ipswich only. And this is formed of 17206. Head there with the reverb. And we'll catch that on departure. And there's no departure. And we'll see what's next here at Needham Market. And should be passing by soonish. I love using that word soonish. Is 1 Papa 24, the 1252 Greater Anglia service from London Liverpool Street to Norwich. No idea if this is fast or slow, I only know the up services. Because a slow was at Stone Market just as I was getting my ticket. Can't speak today. Oh well. So yeah, we'll catch that as it passes. And it's now passing. That's 82-107 and 90-001 with a tone. Very nice tone. I liked it. And there's more for us all to enjoy. Well, that tone did scare me a bit. I've actually never had a tone from a DVG before. Yeah, they are loud. Anyway, we'll see what's next here at Needham Market. And there's a 90-step passing. They're getting somewhere and they're going there in a rush. That was a nice pass. I like that one. That was working 1 Papa 20... No. We've already had that one. 1 Papa 37, the 1300 Greater Anglia service from Norwich to London Liverpool Street. That was a good pass. I liked it. I highly recommend you come to Needham Market just for that. I don't know if anyone could tell me what set that is that's normally hauled by those two, that's normally got those two on it. That would be brilliant. Because I need to know. Anyway, we'll see what's next here at Needham Market. We should be afraid. And now getting ready to pass by is 4 Zulu 33 from Felixstowe to Doncaster. This is a GBRF service. That is 66,770 with 4 Zulu 33, the 1259 GBRF service from Felixstowe South to Doncaster Railport. That is running 12 minutes late. And passing by in a few minutes or so is 1 Papa 26, the 1315 Greater Anglia service from London Liverpool Street to Norwich. No idea where this will be calling because I don't know the up services. I don't know the down services. I only know the up. This won't be as good as that pass, that last intercity set pass. That was an amazing pass, and it was down, so it could do 100. These can only do 50 on the down line. So yeah, we will see. We will see that when it happens indeed. And it's now passing by. With a lovely tone there from 82102. Yes, did not notice that until the last moment. That was cool. Anyway, we'll see what's next here at Needham Market. And getting ready to pass by soon is going to be 2 Lima 75, the 1318 Greater Anglia service from Peterborough to Ipswich, calling it Ipswich only. Right, I can probably give you all of its stops. Peterborough, Whittlesey, March, Mayney, Ely, Great Eastern Mainline, Stowmarket and Ipswich. Done. So yeah, we'll catch that when it passes. And it's now passing. Off to their next stop in Ipswich. That also happens to be my Greater Anglia 170 stalker. Yeah. Anyway, we have 2 more trains, and then I'll be rounding off the video. So we will see those, and then I'll round off the video. And now arriving in is 2 Whiskey 16, the 1329 Greater Anglia service from Ipswich to Cambridge, calling at Stowmarket, Elmswell, Thurston, Bury St Edmunds, Kennet, Newmarket, and Cambridge. Tones from a car being impatient, and this is formed of 170-206. I'll make my comment about the refurbishments that I did before. They seem to be making good headway. And we'll catch this on departure. Speaking of, 2 Whiskey 16 is now departing after its next stop at Stowmarket. I'd say it's also just next stop at Stowmarket. We will see what's next here at Needham Market. Well, we'll see what our final train is here at Needham Market. And getting ready to pass by in a minute or two is our final train of the day, 1 Papa 39, the 1333 Greater Anglia service from Norwich to London Liverpool Street. So the last things I say will be the numbers of the train, numbers the train is formed of, so that'll be the 19th DVD, obviously. So, if you have enjoyed what you've seen here at Needham Market, please do come here yourself. But first, well, please do like this video, like, subscribe, do all the things that, you know, it's obvious that you do. And also come here yourself if you are so inclined, if you did like what you've seen here. I would recommend it. There's the second time I've been here, actually. So yeah, do come here yourself, like, subscribe if you have enjoyed. I have been Camjkerman. I will see you in my next episode of Trains At, which will be Trains at Colchester. And it's now passing. And 82114, and I will see you at Colchester. Goodbye.